Jamaican international Bailey replaced McGinn in the closing minutes. In the other return leg semi-final encounter, Freiburg defeated Braga 3-1 to advance 4-3 on aggregate. Some cricket news now. May 28 has been set as the date for the Jamaica Cricket Association AGM and elections. This was revealed by incumbent president Dr. Donovan Bennett, who was speaking on Sportsquill on Fame 95 FM on Wednesday evening. Dr. Bennett also confirmed that he'll be seeking another term as president. Dr. Bennett was elected as the JCA president in April 2024 after defeating the incumbent Wilfred Billyhaven 67-30 in the votes. Now, 3 players will be making their return to the Jamaican franchise for the Caribbean Premier League season. Of the 3 players, one has been named captain. Ronaldo Brown tells us more.
Former West Indies T20 captain Rovman Powell will return to captain the Jamaica Kingsmen for the upcoming Caribbean Premier League season, with Andre Russell and Fabian Allen also set to be unveiled by the new franchise. The Jamaica Kingsmen, who were given the privilege to select 3 Jamaicans ahead of the CPL draft, managed to acquire Powell from the Barbados Royals after they did not exercise their right to match the offer to keep the right-hander. Powell spent 3 seasons with the Royals, having captained the now-defunct Jamaica Tallowers to the 2022 CPL title. In the meantime, Russell, who revealed to TVJ Sports last year that he wants to end his CPL career in Jamaica, returns after his stint with the Trinbago Knight Riders. In an exclusive interview, Russell had indicated that he had informed the owners of TKR that he will not be returning to the franchise for this season. Another 2022 title winner with the Tallowers, Fabian Allen, is set to return to Jamaica, having spent the last few seasons with the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots before moving to the Antigua and Barbuda Falcons. The Jamaica Kingsmen will open the 2026 CPL season against the Falcons on August 7. I'm Ronaldo Brown.